easy fishes using only triangles. So, let's get started. First, we will draw one triangle. Then, we will draw other small triangle. Now, we will make fisheye. And our one fish is completed. Now we'll make two more fishes like this. The seabed. Then we will make some aquatic plants. Now we will make some shells and a starfish. Some more plants. Now we will fill different colors in our drawing. Now we will color the first fish red and yellow. Then we will color the second fish orange and pink. We will color the third fish lavender and violet. Then we will color the water bubbles dark blue. Now we will color the plants green, pink, purple, brown. It's time to color the starfish orange and shells yellow. Now we will color the seabed light brown. we will color the water blue and make waves in it. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.